guys talk about all that hard starting stuff. It's so annoying. So like, just get over it already. There's a couple guys that post YouTube videos, and every single time he starts it, he bitches about, oh, I wonder if it's going to start now. Well, it's started every single time you've ever said that, buddy. I think it's going to start. You already know the reason why. They're draining the fuel line, so there's no fuel left in the lines, as some sort of regulatory thing that they have to do. Cycle the fuel pump. It takes 1 second, and then fire it up. But if you just go from a dead switch to on and fire, then it takes another 2 or 3 seconds to get fuel to the throttle body. Is it a big deal? No, it's not a big deal. It starts every single time. It might take 1 second longer, and that's it. Big deal. Get over it.